So this is the question number 11 from CBSE midterm paper 2021, and this question comes under the topic file handling in Python. So in this particular question, four statements have been given to you and it has been asked out of these given four statements which one is the incorrect in the context of pickled binary files. यानी कि बाइनरी फाइल्स के रेस्पेक्ट में कौन सी स्टेटमेंट गलत है. So in order to answer this one, first of all, we need to be aware what are the different types of files we have in our curriculum, what are the associated modules with them, and what are the reading and writing functions we have for these particular files. So I want you to take a look at this table and I want you to take a note of it as well. So the first file we have is .txt file which is a part of the text file और इसका एसोसिएटेड मॉड्यूल है आपका IO मॉड्यूल. ये मॉड्यूल क्या होता है आपका पाइथन का बाय डिफॉल्ट मॉड्यूल होता है. इसको आपको इंपोर्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं होती. When coming to the reading functions of the .txt file, we have three major functions. First of all, read line and read line. Read function is for to read specific number of bytes from a file. Read line is for one line and read lines is for multiple line. Similarly, when coming to the writing function, we have two major functions, write and write lines. Write क्या हो गया basically to write specific number of bytes in a file and write line is to write specific number of lines in a text file. Okay. Now moving on to the second type of file, we have binary file. दूसरा extension क्या हो सकता है आपका .dat और .bin. In order to use binary file, we need to import pickle module. ध्यान दीजिएगा IO मॉड्यूल आपको इंपोर्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है लेकिन pickle मॉड्यूल को आपको इंपोर्ट करना पड़ेगा. Now when it comes to the reading function, we have load in binary and dump for writing. Similarly for CSV file which is also a text file, we have a module CSV module which we need to import it. Okay, then for reading we have a reader function and for writing we have a writer function. राइटर फंक्शन क्या करता है आपका एक ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करता है. उस ऑब्जेक्ट के हेल्प से आप दो और फंक्शन यूज कर सकते हो विच इज राइट रो एंड राइट रोज. राइट रो फंक्शन किसके लिए हो गया आपका सिंगल रोज को राइट करने के लिए and write rows for multiple rows. Now coming back to our question, now we will be able to answer this question because based on the content we have received in this video so far, we will be able to answer this one. Okay, let's go one by one. CSV module is used for reading and writing objects in binary file. This is incorrect because CSV module किसके लिए use होता है आपका CSV files के लिए. Now second line is pickle module is used for reading and writing objects in binary file. This one is correct. Load of the pickle module is used to read objects. It is also correct. And dump is for write object. This is also correct. So incorrect one is the option number A. Hence the right answer for this one is option number A. Now based on the content we have received in this video, I want you to answer this practice question in the comment box. किस particular question का correct answer क्या आएगा? Okay guys, then that's it for the day. If you have any doubt regarding this question, feel free to ask in the comment box. Okay then, thanks for your time.